Hello, kindergarten friends. Today we are going to start lesson 17. So last lesson we talked about what addition is. So this lesson we're going to continue exploring addition and learning more about those words and how to add. Okay, so today is session 1. You're going to need your math workbook, a pencil, your red and yellow counters, and a red crayon. So go ahead and get those things. And when you're ready, press play and we will begin. All right, let's warm up. We are going to make 5. You can see here we have a 5 frame. So down here, the first one says 2 and, so I have 2. 2 and what makes 5? Shout it out for me. Good. 3. 2, and if I move these over, you can see the problem. 2 and 3 make 5. Okay, let's do the second one. 4. I want to make sure we have 4. 4 and what makes 5? Good. 1. How about 5? I have 5. 5 and good. 0. All right. Now, let's practice using our fingers here. So we are going to show these counters using our fingers. So how many red do you have? Show that on one hand. And then how many yellows do you have? Show that on your other hand. Now we're going to add them. So join them together. So you have 3 and 1 equals, good, 4. 3 plus 1 equals 4. All right, let's get started. Please turn to page 331. You're going to need your math counters now. Okay, so I'm going to kind of tell you a little story, and I want you to use your counters as I use my counters. So up here we have a bus. What does that look like to you? Yeah, like our 5 frame we were looking at. Okay, so if I said there was one girl that got on the bus, I'm going to use yellow for girls. One girl and 2 boys on the bus. What would you say? One girl, 2 boys. How many children are on the bus? 3. Excellent. So we used our counters to show a math problem. So now we want to write the math problem down here that matches it. So how many? Good. 1 plus how many? Good. 2 equals how many altogether? Excellent. So let's read it together. 1 plus 2 equals 3. And our counters up here show us the same thing. 1 plus 2 equals 3. Excellent. Now, if we didn't have counters, what else could you use? Yeah, you could use your fingers. You could use 1 and 2 and then put them together. Good, and you have 3. Excellent. Now, let's do it here. We can show the problem in different ways, and we can explain the problem in different ways. Okay, so let's read this equation in 2 ways. The first one, 1 and 2 is the same as 3. Or we could say it, 1 plus 2 equals 3. Do that with me one more time. 1 and 2 is the same as 3. 1 plus 2 equals 3. Remember that equal sign means that it's the same on both sides. Okay? All right. Now, turn the next page to 332. 332. We're going to use our counters again. All right. Now you see that bus again. It looks like that 5 frame. Okay? And we are going to use the red for boys and yellow for girls. Okay? So listen to my problem and then you show it on the bus. Okay? There are 3 children on the bus. Okay? There are 3 children on the bus. One more girl gets on the bus. How many children are there now? So now you explain that to somebody that you're with. Good. 3 children are on the bus. One more gets on the bus. Now there are 4 children on the bus. Now, I want you to go down here and write the equation to match it. Good. You should have written 3 plus 1 equals 4. So check yours. Make sure your equation matches mine. Excellent. All right. Now, just like I said before, if you don't have counters and you're looking at addition problems, you can use your fingers to add, like we have, or you could use anything else that could be counters, blocks, cereal, anything. You could even draw pictures to help you find the problem. All right, so let's look at these puppy dogs. How many do we have here? 2. And how many over here? 2. So how many puppies do we have all together? Show the answer with your fingers. Good. 4. 2 plus 2 equals 4. All right. Turn the page again. 333. 333. Now, we are going to explore the word add. Okay, we've talked about this a little. Show me an add sign. Remember, you can make it with your fingers. Add, which also means plus, put together, join together. So we want to show that, okay? Now, remember when we do things like this, you can use pictures, you can use words, or you can use numbers. Okay, so I'm going to show you one, and then you are going to do the 2 others. Okay, so I could say 3 hearts plus 2 stars equals 5. 3 plus 2 equals 5. So now I want you to press pause, and I want you to finish these next 2. You can draw pictures, you can use numbers, you can use words, however you want to show examples of the word add. So press pause as you do that. All right, let's see if you did any like me. So I used numbers on this one. 4 plus 1 equals 5. Good. I could even use more pictures over here. Maybe I want to draw 2 baseballs plus 2 footballs equals 4. Good. So check this page with an adult and have them look over it so we make sure you know what this word means. Add, and you can show examples. Great job with that. All right. Next page, last page we're going to do today, 334. And you're going to need your red crayon and your pencil now. All right. All right, let's get our red crayon. So up here, we have a school bus. How many girls are on this school bus? Good, 2. So there are 2 girls on the bus. 3 boys get on the bus. So let's draw 3 boys. 1, 2, 3. So now, how many children are there all together? 5. Excellent. So now we want to write the equation to match that. 2 plus 3 equals 5. Good. So we joined those numbers together to find the total, the sum, 5. Okay? Next one. How many girls are on the bus? Good. Now draw the boys to fill the rest of the bus. Good. So then if you filled it, how many total? Good. So you want to match those numbers there, just like we did up here. Use your picture to write the math equation. Press pause if you need to. Good. Okay. Last one. How many girls are on the bus? Good. Fill your bus with another boy. And then write your equation to match. How many girls plus boys equals? Good. Go back and check. These numbers should be the same to match the buses. All right. Great work. And I will see you for lesson 17-2 next time.